Now we're ready to assemble the bear. I like to start with the head. First you will get the other stuff out of the way here. I'll get the head and the body and get the disc for the head, which will be one of the larger discs. And we're going to turn the top of the body inside out just a little bit so that we can see that joint marking that you put on there. And that's where you skipped one little stitch. I'm going to put the awl in there just to kind of open it up a little and also to help me see where that hole is. Take it out real quick. Let me put it back in there again. Because then what we're going to do is slip. Let me get it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take the neck joint and slip it in that hole. And now take your neck disc, slip it over the cotter pin, and then get your mini cotter pin turner or mini cotter key after you get that settled down, and curl each end under. There we go. I like to do it tightly, make it a nice, so the joint's not too loose. Here we go. Okay. Now you can see the joint, and we're going to turn it right side out again. And there his head is now attached to his body, which is more than what I can say for myself sometimes. Okay, now we're going to get ready to put the arms on. Make sure you put the correct arm on the correct side. So the arm joints use the smaller discs. Okay, so this one goes on that side. We're going to do the left arm first. And again, we're going to turn it inside out just a little so we can see that joint marking. Stick the awl in there. You don't want too big of a hole. You just want to open up the threads a bit. Let's see here. I'm going to try to keep my place as to where that opened up. And I lost it. So we'll just open it up again. Make it a little bigger this time and slip it right in. There we go. Okay, there it is. And slip the arm disc over it. And curl it down the same way. I like to make sure that the fabric's not caught underneath anything. There we go. Oops. I'm having problems. I started too close to the end of that, so it's not curling right for me. So now I'm just going to go down the cotter pin a little bit. Here, whoop. Here we go. And now I can curl it down. And do the same for the other side. All right. Now he's got an arm that moves. And just do the same for the rest of the limbs, the other arm and the two legs. Make sure you have the legs on frontwards. And you can see all the discs curled in there, the discs jointed. And we're all set. We'll see you in the next step.